It's got your CDL. Check this out. Go to the App Store and download these. First one is My Radar. It gives you updates on weather and everything you need to know on the road. I'm in Portland right now and I'm heading to Atlanta. My main concern is Cheyenne, Wyoming. They always have some bullshit over there. The Transport app is going to help you send in your trip, so in case you don't make it to a truck stop. The Loves app is really helpful. You could get your shower from the app and you don't have to wait in line. You can also use the app to map out your route, and it gives you all the love spots on your way. TruckSmart app will give you the same thing, but mainly TA and petrol. I use this app every day. It's called Truck Path. It shows you where all the available parkings are and even weigh stations. Common sense, Google Map is a must. It gives you traffic updates and everything. If you're unfamiliar with a route, hit satellite mode. It gives you an idea what to expect, you know. Walmart app comes in handy. Hit Store Finder and find the nearest store near you. Not all Walmart allows truck parking, so call them first and find out. Instacart will help you get groceries when you're at the shipper. I'm at the shipper right now. There's Instacart. See, I'm not joking. I actually use this stuff.
You can have the keys to one. Which one you taking?
That would be that damn Peterbilt. I don't give two shits about them fucking cars.
I can't leave the crib unless I know I got the glamour. Hit her with that hammer, if I don't, she throw a tantrum. Bend it over, make it clap, it's your anthem. Run up on me, you gon' levitate like a phantom. Keep knocking at that door, little nigga, you gon' get an answer. Goddamn, little bitch on that cool, like Montana. I'm on hygiene codeine, I'm a flow like.
First week as a truck driver.
The speed limit's only 35. I better slow down. That's a lot better. Can't be too cautious.
After first week.
Get the fuck out of the way! Come on, I got shit to do! Fuck!
Tell your friend what truck fits you best.
G Hughes, you did this one.
Ease your beats. I'm tryna get all of that cash. Shawty, she wanna move fast.
So that little bitch start tripping, we gon' get the bag. Chanel on my back, she like living fast. She wanna fall with me cause we getting cash. I hit that bitch raw, I did that.
I see you.
Desperado, sitting in a old Monte Carlo. A man is out his hollow.
Ask your friend which truck fits them best.
Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat and we'll hang out.
Yeah, mic check 1, 2. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling, they tryna kiss me riding dirty. Kiss me riding dirty, kiss me riding dirty, kiss me riding dirty, kiss me riding dirty. Music so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' kiss me riding dirty, kiss me riding dirty, kiss me riding dirty, kiss me riding.
And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin bold.
I can't leave the crib unless I know I got the glamour. Hit her with that hammer, if I don't, she throw a tantrum. Bend it over, make it clap, it's your anthem. Run up on me, you gon' levitate like a phantom. Keep knocking at that door, little nigga, you gon' get an answer. Goddamn, little bitch on that cool.
Trailers and warehouses got to be moved around from dock to dock, and this is the truck we used to do it. This is a 2016 Capacity. You got on-road yard trucks and off-road. This is an on-road truck, so you can drive it on the road. That silver button is what I use to release the trailer, and the stick is what I use to raise it up. So you slide under it, give a little tug test, hit the lever, and it picks it up. Here's me backing under it, close up, connecting the air hoses. And off we go.
When you let your girl DD your truck with wide wheels, and your drunk buddy guides her through the drive-thru.
Captain will buff up.
Be quiet, nigga. Hold on.
Cause that bitch gon' f*** it's on me.
Thick black smoke coming out of the truck exhaust. Some drivers are modifying their trucks to do this on purpose. It's called rolling coal.
When somebody asks me if they can drive my truck.
How would you like to suck my balls?
The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki.
So I have decided that I want a woman who drives a Chevy. And I mean she would drive a Chevy or nothing. Now personally, I'm a diehard Ford guy. But I want to be able to walk outside in the mornings and see her pickup parked next to mine and say, damn, I love that woman. She may have shitty taste, but she's loyal.
Bongo la, bongo cha cha cha.
They just mad cause my truck hard. Man, y'all play on me, man. Yo.
And my truck hard. And I keep going your harder. I swear on the same, my truck look at me. And yeah, I'm going for all the D haters. Man, they watching me doing my dance. Bands. Oh.
Dadgummit, boy. How you expect me to get in this thing? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna end up killing myself getting in this thing. Now, what'd I tell you about putting that girl's sticker's name on the dash? Now you done broke up with the girl and it's stuck on here. Now what? What are all these stickers for? Panty dropper. Boy, you about retarded. Huh? What this is for? I know you ain't drinking. Son. Hey, your friends like the console, ain't it though?
There is no comparison. American trucks are the best. We get the shittiest fuel mileage, we got the roughest rides, we got the least amount of convenience, but we look the coolest going down the road, and to tell you the truth, that is all that matters.
Myself talking to the moon. You should know you can go where
too many Glockies. I got a drum, he got the one to stick. We'll send it off in this bitch, thinking it's sweet, smack his ass.
What the fuck is going on? What is going on?
Sarah was finally home. Caillou was very happy to see her.
Caillou! Ni hao. What?
I feel tears welling up, calling deep inside like my heart's from a big break. And the stab of loneliness sharp and painful that I may never shake. Now you might say that I was taking it hard since you wrote me off with a call. But don't you wager that I'll hide the sorrow when I'm right down and bald. Now the race is on and here comes pride up the backstretch. Heartaches are going to the inside. My tears are holding back. They're trying not to fall. My heart's out of the running. True love stretched for another's sake. The race is on and it looks like heartache. And the winner loses all.
I swear to God, if somebody doesn't tell me when the next fucking truck meet is, I'm trying to perform at the truck meets, man.
18 wheels burning diesel, rolling down the road. 10 gears shifting, double clutching. It feels right, don't let it flow.
Sarah was finally home. Caillou was very happy to see her.
Caillou! Ni hao. What?
I am driving a Ford fucking Ranger. My Ford fucking Ranger is just like a Tacoma, except I am not a communist. The word Ranger is indented on my tailgate in an effort to teach me how to spell. I drive my Ford fucking Ranger around the town where I grew up and still live. I still hold the all-time rushing record for my middle school football team. I get transmission work done on my Ford fucking Ranger more often than I go to the dentist. Fishing is a competitive sport, and I will defend that statement with physical violence. Ford stands for Found on Road, Dead Sexy.
Move on. You watch me beat until I can't breathe. Shaking, falling onto my knees.
You want steering looser than your underwear after they get stretched out by your giant balls? Then buy a Chevy.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like.